In this video, I will show you how to generate AI images inside Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'm starting on my Gamma dashboard and I'll open up my project titled Video AI Tool. Once the editor loads, I'll take a quick look through my presentation slides. I want to add a custom visual to the fourth slide, so I'll scroll down to that section now. On the right-hand toolbar, I click on the Images icon to open the Media menu. I'll select the AI Images option and then drag the AI image block directly onto my slide. This opens up the generation panel where I can describe exactly what I'm looking for. In the prompt field, I'm typing in a detailed request for a futuristic AI video editing interface, featuring glowing neural networks, digital timelines, and holographic previews in a sleek dark mode aesthetic. Next, I can customize the look by selecting an art style. I'll browse through the different options like abstract, 3D, and line art, but for this slide, I'm going to choose the photo style. I'll also adjust the aspect ratio to 16.9 so it fits the presentation layout perfectly and set the image count to 1. I have the choice to select a specific AI model or use the auto select feature, and then I'll simply click Generate. It only takes a few seconds for the AI to process my prompt and create the image. Once the image appears on the slide, I can click to resize it and move it into the best position. I'll adjust the alignment and scale the image up until I'm happy with how it looks in the layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of generating AI images inside Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.